So I believe that Austin McBroom has been training for almost a year leading up to this fight. That's why the fight was so embarrassing for Bryce Hall, because he fought someone who actually had experience, not in the ring or in the stage or in events, but someone who had experience in boxing. Because I feel like if you look at Austin McBroom, yeah, he just hit him there. Okay, it's his event, so I guess he could do what he wanted to do. But if you look at the way he fought way better than KSI's first fight or Logan's first fight. His footwork, his punches, I'm watching it right now, and he just timed most of them well. They weren't like flush shots, those were like timed really well. And yeah, Bryce Hall got bullied by Austin McBroom and the referee as well. So yeah, he got bullied both times that day. But as you can see, there was a clear difference in fighting, and 3 months doesn't get you there. I don't think 3 months can get you that good footwork. I know he was an athlete, but a D1 athlete, but we saw Nate Robinson fight. There was a huge difference, and this guy knows how to fight. Like, you can see that this guy has some experience. Like, he's been sparring or been fighting, been training for I think a year now. Cause I remember when I remember when he was when Jake was fighting Nate Robinson, and after Jake Paul knocked him out, Austin McBroom was like, Jake would never do that to me. Jake would never be able to do that to me. So then I'm thinking, so he must have been training since then till now, whereas Bryce only trained for 3 to 4 months. Yes, Bryce was bad for 3 to 4 months, but he looked even worse because he fought someone that knew how to fight. He thought that he was fighting like a 30-year-old man. This guy is not ripped, he's not big, but he knows what he was doing, and he picked the perfect opponent. He picked an opponent that was young, that people would believe that could win because he was young, he's in good shape. But you can see here, like, I don't think Bryce won a single round. Now the rounds were even close, and most of the shots he got were in the clinch. So yeah, it was pretty embarrassing for Bryce, but more so because I think Austin had trained for a while on the low key, training all the time but not telling anyone. And we saw here, like, jeez, yeah, he beat the shit out of Bryce Hall. Yeah, he's definitely been training for more than 3 months for this fight. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you could see Bryce wasn't even looking at his opponent. He was basically looking at the lights. I don't even know where he was looking. He was almost knocked out. If the fight continued, he could have died. He could have died. And that just means that Austin McBroom was way better. And if you see KSI when he fought Joe Weller, yes, KSI was way better, but it wasn't like this. This is something else. This is something else. He has definitely, yeah, Bryce, don't be shocked. You know what happened. Anyways, this guy has been training for way longer than he claimed to be training. That's why he called out people like Jake and Logan. Like, he's been training for a year, and we saw that right now. We can notice it. This guy has some good work. And yeah, I think he's gonna build up his fights. I mean, if he fights KSI, I think KSI would beat the shit out of him, if I was being honest. But I think no way this is 3 months of work. That's what I'm trying to say. Bryce got played by thinking that they both had the same amount of time to train, whereas Austin McBroom is the owner of this event. He is the owner of this event. You don't think that if he was the owner of this event, he's gonna make sure that it's whatever happens is perfect timing for him, whereas he got to train for months and months before his fight. So I'm assuming he trained for a year, or at least 8 months. Now I want you guys to watch this fight and tell me the difference between KSI and Austin McBroom in their first fight. This fight, KSI had 3 months of experience. That's why you're not going to see the same thing between him and Austin McBroom, because Austin has actually been training for a year. Whereas if you see in this fight, it's two amateurs fighting, but Austin McBroom didn't look like an amateur. He looked kind of good, and no one looked like that. You can look at all the other Social Girls fighters, FaZe Jarvis, Vinny Hacker, whoever won. None of them looked close to Austin McBroom. Was it that he trained that hard? I'm sure he trained hard. He's an athlete, but I'm sure that he had at least 8 to 9 months of training. Yeah, you can see here, like, even Logan's fight, he didn't look that good. He looked pretty good for 3 months, but Austin McBroom just looked way better. He completely outclassed his opponent, and it made it seem like Bryce never trained. That's how he made Bryce look. He made Bryce look like that. So if you made him look that bad, you've definitely been training for at least a year. His footwork, because I've been told that footwork is something that takes so long to perfect or at least get good at. And if you saw Austin McBroom's footwork, it was pretty good. So if you see his fight, like, you can see that, yeah, this is someone who just started training and got in a fight. But with Austin McBroom's fight, it was completely different. It was Austin McBroom's event. Everything was going Austin McBroom's way. So he actually had a year of training. He probably planned this event the day he entered training, which was a year ago. Planned an event and said, I'm going to have an event a year from now. And since no one knows that I have any experience, I'm going to say, okay, we both will have a 3 to 4 month training camp. Whereas he actually had a year of training, going and fighting a completely inexperienced fighter who was Bryce Hall. Yeah, this fight, like, obviously KSI won all the rounds, but still you can see a difference in performance here. You can see the difference in the way they fought. Austin McBroom was fighting without headgear, and he looked so comfortable in the ring. Like, I'm sure if KSI fought his first fight and Joe Weller fought their first fight without headgear, they would kind of be nervous, they would kind of be scared, they would kind of, be hesitant to throw punches because a counter is available. So the fact that Austin McBroom entered the ring without headgear and was so comfortable in the ring, it seemed like he's been in a ring for a while. Because you don't just enter a ring and own it. He owned the ring because he's been training for a while. He's been training low key. And yeah, KSI won this fight. Austin won the fight. I think KSI beats up Austin. I definitely think KSI beats up Austin. But I'm just saying that Austin didn't train 3 months for the fight. He's been training for a year.